just finished your favorite movie, TV series, TV show, such as Breaking Bad, Friends, and so on, and you are looking for something that's good as the one that you are already watch. But the streaming platforms such as the Netflix and so on, sometimes they don't give you the right recommendation for you or the same vibe that you already watched. Here's what we can do. We can use the Firebase Studio, write the whole application for us. So you don't need to know anything about the code itself. Using Gemini AI, find the right recommendation for us based on input such as movie poster image, description, actor name, other factor that we can provide it as the input, and then it will give us the right recommendation. So let me switch here to the Studio Firebase. Already prepare some input for our prompt and project idea. So it's an application discovering movies, series, TV shows. It have a different way for finding the recommendation. So we could provide, for example, streaming URL, and then it would analyze it and return the input based on that one. We could write a good description about that one, or like what we have watched or what we are planning to watch, and then based on the theme and style, will provide the right recommendation for us. We could also upload, for example, image of the movie poster or the TV show. We could enter the actor name, and then there's some sort of list or fresh AI discovery for all the time. And the result will be always, for example, explained why it has been chosen this one, and also why it's recommending the next one, and analyze it before searching and write the recommendation for us. Also, we can use the moviedb.org, which is this one. So like a database for us for all the images and other factors that we are looking for example, a title and the ranking and so on. So let's go here back and prototype with AI. Now it's return those, for example, URL base, recommendation, description, image, actor, recommendation, and then the result could be a title and link, for example. It's going to be cropped from the movie db.org, a recommendation explanation, and add it to personal watching list. So let's go here and prototype this app. In the meanwhile, make sure that you go here for the join and register. If you already have account, just log in. Otherwise, you need to go this one, provided your email, and then you will go to the registration form. After that, you need to go to the API subscription section and then grab API keys. So we could use it in the app here when we fetch, for example, a title and link and other factor. Let's give it a moment to generate the UI.
A few moments later.
This is the first UI that we end up. So we have the general discovery, then URL, input and description, image, actor, search. So firstly, we need to make sure that we auto generate the API key. And definitely after that, we need to go here and restart the app. So I went through some error here, try to fix it, as well using the moviedb.org, fetch all the necessary information such as the poster and so on. So let me go and open it into a new tab. Benefit from the full width. So firstly, let's discover a new one. Get at least this one. Some of them they have the issue with the poster, but some of them are appear. Let's add it to the watch list. Yeah, it can be managed without a type. It'll be fine. We could fix that later. For example, let's grab URL for this movie, copy it, and put it here. Try to get some recommendation based on that one. Alright, there's some movies, for example, those are Mona and How to Train Your Dragon and other movies. Let's add it here. Let's see, watch list. Beautiful. We could remove it, close that one. Let's see if I go to details. It's redirect to the moviedb.org and some information. We could use that one as our main resource. Let's go and write a description. I just watched Friends. Can you recommend something similar? All right, so we get some, for example, those types. We could hit here again and should recommend something else. So let's give other recommendations such as The Office and so on. Let's test if we upload the poster. I have this one in Mission Impossible. Click on it. So to preview the image before we go and try to get some recommendation. All right, so we have some James Bond and some other Tom Cruise and then something else. So here we have the reason why it has been chosen this one. So if I go details, it gives me the right URL. Let's choose actor, for example, Tom Hanks. Yep, so let's give at least this movie. Yeah, some of them, as I mentioned, have the issue with the poster. Let's try something else, such as Val Kilmer. All right, so it's bring, for example, Top Gun and Batman Forever. And that was everything in this video. There will be two challenges. Try to fix some of those images or poster for the movie or TV show. Second, we'll be adding a login system. If you don't know how to do that, let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you or make a separate video on that. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel to support me and do more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you next one.